Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 27, project number 27. We are going to build a game called Hangman game, sorry. And this is a CLI based, not a GUI based. So it's purely a command line interface, and it's a pretty simple logic. Let me just show you quickly. So there is no specific library we are importing, and we are just writing the logic here and turning that into a kind of guessing game kind of stuff where you got to keep guessing and keep writing it on the terminal. So let me show you a quick demo how it works, and we will take it from there. Right, let me execute this. Now it says enter your name. Let me just make it a little bigger. It says enter your name. I'm going to put my name Anbu. Okay, so Anbu, let's play Hangman. So what's your first guess? My first guess is going to be guess a character. So what is that? Let's say hat. Okay, you have 9 more guesses. So it says T and T. What it could be? T and T. It says wrong guess and you have 9 more guess, but it's giving a clue as T and T. Let's say hat trick. No, wrong guess. You have 8 more guess. Now let's say I am bald. Okay, 7 more guesses. It's still wrong. C I dash dash T I T. What it could be? Characteristics? I don't know. So guys, you can give me an answer. You can leave a message below. You can try this game and come back to me. It'll be really helpful. Alright guys, see you. Goodbye.